Hi, my name is John. I'm an entrepreneur from the Midwest. Most of you know me because of my many inventions, but now I'm in the market to sell my very first one. The very first one was originally called Almost Autonomous Lawnmower. Inside here you can see what Al sees from its camera, onboard camera, and of course I can enlarge it here. You can see it with a lot better. You can also see here you can record the video, you can record just an image, time-lapse, you can even do motion detection. You can download the video, you can edit the sensor settings or anything like that. And in here, camera settings, you can do all kinds of cool things with the camera settings. Okay, so now you're going to watch what the mower is going to do. And here we go. And there you go. You can see it. And it's a workhorse. You'll see in some of my videos that it'll pull a lot of weight around if you need to do something. And then of course with the lawnmower you can easily add that 4 bolts and 1 wire, or remove it. And then I have the wheelbarrow, which I put on there. With that, it just slips right on. It's got 2 actuators that hooks up to it, and 2 wires. And then you have a remote control battery operated wheelbarrow that functions, that will lift and lower. It will carry 300 pounds of weight according to the actuator's weight limit of 300 pounds. And again, it's got live streaming onboard video. You will get this entire product with both attachments. The price is a little bit negotiable, but not much, as I have thousands of dollars into it. I know it's used, but again, the key feature here is nobody in the world has this. Nobody.